Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, I am Sarah Mehroze. I hope you are all fine, enjoying your days. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Mastery with Mehroze. So, friends, are you ready to laugh and learn? Today, we are counting down the top 10 funny English language mistakes that will make you laugh. But before we start, let's ask ourselves, have you ever accidentally said something ridiculous in English? Do you struggle to understand the difference between American and British English? Are you ready to learn from the most common English mistakes and improve your language skills? So, friends, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. By watching this video, you will learn how to avoid common mistakes, improve your pronunciation, and boost your confidence in speaking English. So, let's get started. Mistake number 10. Have you ever caught yourself saying this? I am fine, thank you, and you? Mm, it's like asking someone to return a compliment instead of putting the pressure on the other person. Just say, I am fine, thank you. Mistake number 9. Who needs a light switch when you can just open the light? Unfortunately, that's not how it's work. Say, turn on the light instead. Mm, it's a small mistake, but it can make a big difference in how clearly you communicate. Mistake number 8. This one's a classic. Instead of asking someone to open the fridge, which can come across a bit lazy, just like me, you just say, can you get me something to eat? Or can you pass me the snacks? Mm, it's a more polite and considerate way to ask for help. Mistake number 7. We get it. You are trying to be polite and show interest in someone's life, but asking about someone's entire family and pets can get a bit ridiculous. Stick to who are you and who's your family. It's a more thoughtful and considerate way to ask about someone's well being. Mistake number 6. Oops, wrong question. Instead of asking to buy someone's shirt, which can be a bit awkward, say, I love your shirt. Where did you get it? Or, I love your shirt. What's your favorite clothing store? Hmm, it's a more tactful way to show appreciation for someone's fashion sense. Mistake number 5. Close but quiet. Say, I am good at speaking English. Remember, speaking is a verb and we need to use the correct form to express ourselves clearly. Mistake number 4. Easy does it. Just ask, what's your name? And let the person share as much and as little as they want We don't need to ask for the entire life story, and just their name will do. Mistake number three, we have all been there, feeling exhausted and just wanted to collapse. But instead of asking someone to carry you, which can be a bit ridiculous, say, I am tired, can we take a break? Or I am feeling exhausted. Can you help me find a seat? Mm, it's a more considerate way to ask for help when you're feeling tired. Mistake number two. So, friends, English is English. No matter where are you from, just ask, do you speak English? And you will get your answer. Remember, language is a tool for communication, and you should not confuse in which nationalities and cultures. Mistake number one. Don't apologize for trying. Instead of asking, my English is very bad, say, I am still learning English. Or I am not fluent in English yet. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's amazing that you are taking the effort to learn and improve your English skills. And yeah, there you have it, folks. The top 10 English language mistakes that will make you laugh. Remember, laughter is the best teacher. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, and tell me, what's the most embarrassing English mistakes you have ever made? Share your story in the comment below, and let's have a good laugher together. So thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button for more learning content. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and stay tuned with me